Personalize lighting for each individual key, customize lighting effects, and enjoy in-game integrations from a spectrum of 16. 8M colors with Logitech G Hub. 1. GX Blue is an iconic design providing both tactile and clicky feedback with snappy actuation you can feel and hear. This keyboard is also available in linear and tactile switch experience, sold separately. Memory foam rest quickly and fully recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. Aircraft grade 5052 aluminum top case is anodized and brushed for a slim, premium design plus rigid durability. Convenient USB pass-through port makes it a snap to plug in your mouse, flash drive or phone for direct data transmission or charging. Media and lighting controls are right at your fingertips. Use FNF keys to control volume, play and pause, skip track, mute, toggle lighting, enter game mode, etc. Customize lighting, game mode and macro custom programming with downloadable Logitech G Hub software. Top reviews from the United States. Solid keyboard. Have large hands and work with them daily, so a gentle keyboard is not for me lol. This keyboard feels solid and the brown switches have a nice controllable feel under the fingers. Blue and browns are my favorites, but red are way light for me and I hit keys by accident. I've used all three over the years. If you have large or strong hands, get blue or brown, but if you have high dexterity or are a smaller person, then try the reds. G-Hub software with keyboard is easy to use and RGB is bright, crisp, and fully customizable with savable profiles for different games and/or RGB schemes on your system. Worth the money in my opinion. Used extra keys they supplied for added texture that cups the finger, as you can see on the picture.